Hey guys, I'm about to move our goats to the next area and I want to show you how I do that. So I first have to take the old fence down that's behind me. I'll reel it up and then I'll take up all the stakes and take it to the new area. Now I got to take these fence stakes and the reel up to where the next goat area is going to be. Now that I got everything moved over here, I'll show you where the next area is going to be. It's going to be in the woods, probably about 2 yards into the woods. That way they have a little bit of shelter in the woods, and it's going to go all the way over to there and back up into the woods. So I'll get that started. Now in order to get the fence through the woods, if I haven't gone through these woods yet, I have to use a weed eater with a blade on it just to get the smaller trees. Basically look for a path that's not too thick, and I go through there and I cut trees up to 3/4 of an inch to an inch thick. So basically I'm going to go straight back from here about 40 yards, and then I'm going to cut down the hill, and then the fence will just run alongside the road front. So that really only has to be done once, and as long as you keep it up with a regular weed eater throughout the year, then you won't have to do that again. So now I got to set up the electric fence posts. I use these metal ones on the corners, and I go about every 15 to 20 feet I put another post. But these go in the corners because they're a lot stronger than the other ones. Now that I finished that, it's time to put the electric fence wire around the electric fence post I just put in. And I put 4 strands of wire on, and I'll show you how I do that. So now on the reel, I have a loop tied on the very end, and I just loop that over the lowest insulator on the fence post, and that'll hold it as I start going. Once I complete the first round with electric wire, I loop it on the first, or hook it to the first insulator, and then I go up from there, hook it onto the second one up from the ground, and then I continue my second wire, and I just repeat that until I get to the very top. Now once you get to the top, or the last insulator, you just hook it over the pigtail and do your last round. Now once you finish your 4th and final round, you just loop it under and over the pigtail, and then this electric fence reel has a little hook on top here that's made to hook onto an electric fence line, but it fits perfectly in this pigtail. So I just hook it right there and let it hang. Lock your reel so it doesn't loosen your wires, and it's basically done now. So as you're going, you're going to notice that there's some high spots or low spots in the electric fence, so that's what I'm going to fix right now. I'll show you what I mean. So this spot right here, I don't know how well you can see it, but this is the lowest line, and it's a good foot over the ground here, and a goat will go right underneath that. So you're looking to get it about 8 to 10 inches at the highest, and at that height a goat won't go under it. And then this spot is actually touching the ground, so you don't want that either because it'll ground out your electric fence and it won't be very powerful. So I hope you all can see this. It's getting pretty dark right now, but all that's left to do now is to move these goats into this new area. All I do here is just lift the lower 3 wires on each side of the fence, on their side and the new side, and I hook it over the top of the pigtail, and they'll just walk right underneath it. And you just hook it back up. Make sure you don't cross the wires. So when you put tension on the wire, sometimes the corner will flip, the corner insulator will flip like that, and it'll be touching your electric fence post, and that'll ground out the wire as well. So just make sure you check the corners, twist those back, and you're good to go. You're ready to hook up your electric fence, which is right there. Hey guys, it got a little dark towards the end of the video, so hopefully you're able to see everything. It's been a while since I've done a goat video. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more goat videos, or if you'd rather see more chicken videos or more project videos. Just let me know what you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.